Hey guys, and in this video, I'll share with you how to double your income or increase the revenue of your business with the help of this one and this one. Let's go! Hey guys, it's Jon Orana, and today pag-usapan natin what is this thing that I just purchased, and of course this one. So this one is a simple marker. So, ito yung dry erase. So, pwede mo siyang burahin. So, it's not a permanent marker. And if you've been watching many of my videos, you always see those like calendar at the back right there. You guys can see that, right? So, that is the where I plan things with my business, even mga vacation ko. So make sure na meron akong vacation and other important dates ay doon ko po nilalagay on top of my online calendar, which is a Gmail. This is also where I set something that I can collaborate with my staff, with my project manager, is yung online calendar. But having this one, I'll share with you guys later in a few minutes, it gives you parang a quick view what's going on in your business, right? So it is very important. You know, you heard about goal setting and planning things, and it is 100% true. Sabi nga nila that if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So sino naman ang nasa tinong isip para mag-fail sa buhay, right? So in many cases, the reason we cannot accomplish things because we don't know what we want. And then second one, 'di ba sabi nga nila, if you don't write it down, your plans and your goals, then that is just like a wishful thinking. In Tagalog, kwentong barbero lang yan. But if you have plans, you have schedule, you have calendar, now you have more sense of direction. You are now really more serious of what you would like to accomplish. Okay, so I'm gonna go and show with you guys my current calendar, but for now, I'll show with you guys this one. I just purchased it. Now, hindi ko alam kung anong version meron ito sa National Bookstore, but I'll share with you guys real quick. Okay, so this is an annual calendar, guys. Makita nyo dyan, it's year 2020. Malapit na. So you don't wanna plan like in the middle. You wanna plan ahead, obviously. So I still have like about a month and a half or so to plan for my 2020, which is good. The idea, guys, with planning is this. It's not really the plan. It is you are planning. So what do I mean? Well, if you study, sabihin na natin military or anything that has to do with war, they always have a plan. And they gotta tell you too that no matter how much planning you do, you will never, ever really know what will gonna happen once you are in the battlefield. Even in boxing, it's the same thing. Sabi nga ni Mike Tyson, he said something like, you can plan all you want, pero once na nasuntok ka sa mukha, things will be different. But again, it is better than not planning at all. So ibig sabihin yun nga, though, no matter how much you plan, there will always be obstacles and detour and all, but at least you have planning, you're thinking. You still have a sense of direction, you still know where you're going. So in here, makita nyo rito, this is the annual calendar. So from January, kita nyo rito, from January until December, meron din siyang sideways if you want it sideways. So this is back to back. This is covered with plastic, so I can just write down, erase if it's necessary. And this is what I'll share with you guys today, is what it looks like in my calendar, how do I plan things and all. Okay, you guys ready? Okay, let's go! Alright, so if you guys are curious, ito yung this year, 2019, etong January ko, for some reason I blanco because I have, I see Manila all throughout in January for the annual Lifestyle Entrepreneur Summit, which is, by the way, this January to 2020, magkakaroon rin ulit ang Lifestyle Entrepreneur Summit. You will meet hundreds of entrepreneurs out there. So yan, so makita nyo rito all the schedule, mostly is yung aking coaching program that I said ng launch, and the schedule ng mga coaching program ko, make sure na I have set in my calendar. And also in here makita nyo, MS, these are like normally acronym lang to ng mga ng mga new program and product that I release. Makikita nyo dyan, merong promo. Okay, promo. Okay? So this is what it looks like for my calendar. And then if I see a place, let's just say a vacant na ganyan, there's a place for me to maybe come up with another promotion or release new product and all those things. Pero at least I know what I'm going to release. So for example, one of the things that I do in business, I release a video series for say pre-launching a program. So makita niyo dyan, meron dyan video 1, video 2, video 3, and video 4, and then there you go. And then of course, yung pagka merong overlapping, say for example, nung May, meron akong workshop. So nakita niyo dyan, pre-launch ng workshop, and so on and so forth. So that's how it looks like. And then of course, meron ako dyang, kita nyo dyan, nung August, meron akong vacation. So in here, we got here in Laguna, and then napunta kami ng Boracay, pretty much the entire thing. And then of course, nagkaroon ako ng few days also in Palawan. And then we also have like this dinner with some important people in our lives. So again, the idea with planning is it doesn't have to be perfect, but it's way better than not planning at all. Right? Katulad ng binanggit ko kanina, it's not really the plan because your plan changes, right? But the key there is you are planning. Okay? In a world na ang mundo ay cluttered and with all ideas and thoughts, in a world na ang mga tao ay overwhelmed with information, so here you are, you can think better, you're sharper, you're smarter. Guess what? You will get more results, as simple as that. Again, the challenge kasi ngayon is not the lack of information, but having an organized information, having a better way of thinking things, right? Because, how can you solve a problem if you're not really sitting down and thinking about it? So if you have a health problem, money problem, you have business problem, okay, you really have to sit down and think about the things that you do. So I hope that this simple planning, something you can come up with this, right? I'm not sure if you can buy this online or maybe in a national bookstore or something. I really believe 100% that this will be a great help for you guys, and especially for someone like me. Ako po a visual person. I'm not really sharp in terms of memory, that remembering things. But if I have like this, or I can if I sit in my computer, makita dyan, the computer ko, and then my calendar. So if I'm sitting in my computer, quick glance ko lang, I just gonna look on my left, and I can immediately see what's going on in my business. Any promotion, marketing campaign, if you're releasing new product, do we have an upcoming workshop, and all those things. So again, guys, I hope this helps, and I really appreciate for you guys watching. Bye-bye. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.